Qualcomm Incorporated, NASDAQ QCOM, stock has seen better days. The news that's rolled in over the past year hasn't exactly placed QCOM stock in good light. Is Qualcomm Incorporated stock a buy before earnings? Source: Maurizio Pesce via Flickr. 3 markets in Asia, China, South Korea and Taiwan, account for a large majority of QCOM's revenue. Each of these countries have sued Qualcomm over its pricing on licenses and royalties for its chipsets. In 2015, China fined the company nearly $1 billion and made it change its royalty pricing on phones sold using its chips. QCOM traditionally gets up to 5% on the sales of each phone its chips are in. South Korea also fined the company nearly $1 billion, which the Qualcomm has paid. And recently, Taiwan fined QCOM $800 million for the same issues. And this doesn't include Apple Incorporated's NASDAQ AAPL case regarding QCOM pricing. Apple has refused vendors who build iPhones with QCOM chips in retaliation. Just that action pulled $500 million off of Qualcomm's revenue guidance in the spring. It also paid BlackBerry Ltd, NASDAQ BBRY, nearly $1 billion for similar transgressions. And apparently there's another major smartphone maker that is also suspending payments until QCOM renegotiates its royalties with it. 5 stocks to buy for the marijuana megatrend. The legalization of marijuana is destined to make millionaires out of many early investors. But don't think you have to chase risky penny stocks to profit. These 5 proven companies have the scale and regulatory know-how to dominate the market. Get their names here. And this doesn't even take into account actions by the US and European Union officials. There's obviously a trend in place here. And that trend doesn't look like it affords QCOM stock much optimism. But things may not be as dark as they look, and the 20% drop in the price of QCOM stock in the past 12 months may not be a signal to run, but to buy the dip. First, look at the bruising Qualcomm took with China a couple years ago. It had to renegotiate its high-margin licensing business with all its Chinese vendors. And then it had to cut its royalty payments on each phone sold.